This is a brand new 2013 Toyota RAV4. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, side impact airbags, a rear window defroster, a push-button ignition, an illuminated entry system, energy-absorbing front crumple zones, a rear window wiper, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Yoakum Toyota is conveniently located at 1199 East Bert Coons in Shreveport. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.